quiet strength, they glide effortlessly through the seas. Ancient leviathans in a vast liquid world. We follow in our clumsy crafts of wood and iron, trapped as we are on the surface of the sea. Today, we mostly hunt them with cameras and recorders, fascinated by their grace and power, curious about their foreign ways, and looking always for the similarities between us. For to swim by their side, to hear their songs, to look deep into their eyes and sense the intelligence looking back, is to understand the significance of the whale in our world and the importance of the effort to preserve its place. But this was not always so. We hunted them ruthlessly for centuries, bringing some populations so close to extinction that they now require protection from us. The health of whales is a measure of the health of their ocean habitat. In their bodies is stored a record of the substances which are exchanged between the atmosphere and the oceans. Even without large-scale hunting, are we destroying through our carelessness some of the grandest animals on Earth? Though they live their whole lives in water, whales are not fish. Like humans, they are mammals. They have hair. They breathe air, pumping it in and out of lungs, and, like all mammals, they nurse their young. Whales come in a wide variety. They may be as small as a dolphin, or as huge as the blue whale, the largest animal that ever lived on Earth. Most live in oceans and feed in the polar seas, while others have adapted to the warm, fresh waters of forest rivers. Sperm whales can dive beyond the depths where submarines cruise, staying down for as long as 2 hours. The moans of blue whales are the loudest sounds made by an animal and can be heard across the oceans. Humpbacks sing complex songs and make one of the longest migrations known of any mammal. One population of humpbacks travels from the Antarctic seas north across the equator. All whales, including dolphins and porpoises, belong to the order Cetacea, of which there are about 70 species. This large order divides naturally into 2 suborders, the odontocetes, or toothed whales, and the mysticetes, or baleen whales. Most whales are odontocetes. Though the largest, the sperm whale, can be as long as 17 meters, toothed whales tend to be small compared to baleen whales. Odontocetes include the roughly 30 species of dolphins, porpoises, and beaked whales. Most inhabit temperate waters, living highly social lives. We know they have well-developed brains, but we still don't know how they use them. Toothed whales hunt alone or in packs, combing the waters throughout the year for their prey, usually fish or squid. They catch one victim at a time, often shaking it or beating it against the surface of the water so violently that it breaks into pieces that can be swallowed without chewing. Killer whales have been known to kill animals larger than themselves, even other whales. But despite popular belief, they are not a threat to human swimmers and boaters. Mysticetes, or baleen